And we are back with another video. All right, guys, it's your boy Young P-Town, Mr. Kicks and Fits. I am back with another video. Like I told y'all, I'm back. I'm banging out content for you guys. So let's see. Got another box. Got another unboxing. As you see from that tape, y'all know where it came from. Nike. And once I pull this shoe out the box, I haven't looked at it, but once I pull it out, y'all know what it is. Woo. Oh yes, this box right here. Y'all already know what it is. This box is so lovely. I like how Jordan brand is switching up the boxes. Y'all already know what these are. Let's pull it out. Do we got anything in here? Nope, nothing here. But we do got that elephant print paper. Okay, so let's see. Whew. I'm liking what I see. I think. Okay. Y'all already see, so bow, y'all know what these are. The Jordan 3 UNCs. So yeah, man. Whew. Let's take a look. Regular degular shoe trees. Nike hasn't given me a receipt in a minute, so I guess they stopped doing it. I've seen other videos where they say they're doing it again, but I haven't got any shoes to find out. So as y'all know, it got that quality products inspired by the greatest player ever. They got that patch stitched at the bottom. It says on the right shoe in the inside, it says heart, and then on the left shoe it says soul. So we got the Jumpman right here in USC drip. Yeah, he's it's Stitch. It's a fat Jumpman. Doesn't matter to me. Got the Jordan Jumpman, the Air, and this is in UNC blue. So, or the navy blue. My bad. So you got the UNC color right here. The leather on here, because watched a couple videos, people were talking about the leather. This leather is softer than other threes that I had, but it's nothing like crazy. Like people were going crazy about it. It's nothing crazy. It's not bad though, but it's nothing crazy. I see some little imperfections on man's this is probably not going to pick up, but like it's not well painted right here on that side, but I don't really care too much about that. These shoes are handmade, so I expect flaws to happen. But yeah, these aren't bad at all. Like, this is pretty nice. Like, it's definitely a dope shoe. I like this colorway. I'm thinking about putting UNC blue laces in here. We'll see though. I'm thinking about putting those in because I think with that and it will pop. I'm gonna show y'all a picture with some UNC laces in there, and I want y'all to comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Would y'all put UNC laces in here, UNC blue laces? So that's what I'm thinking about doing. But yeah, these are a go. Like, this colorway, so dope. As y'all see the bottom, got that Jordan, yeah, these are nice. I'm glad that I was able to got them off Nike for the retail shorty. We don't pay resale over here, so yeah, it's not happening. But yeah, man, these are dope. I like them. Definitely dope. I think that the leather, I think y'all hyped up the leather a little bit too much, but it is a dope shoe. So with that being said, that's going to conclude this video. So if you like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. And we're out of here, guys. Peace.